Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to teach you national games of developed countries and 10 different important examples. This class will increase your information. Watch complete video. Let's go. Example: developed country Japan. National game Sumo. Developed country Japan. National game Sumo. Developed country Australia. National game Cricket. Developed country Australia. National game Cricket. Developed country France. National game Football. Developed country France. National game Football. Developed country Italy. National game Football. Developed country Italy. National game Football. Developed country United Kingdom. National game Cricket. Developed country United Kingdom. National game Cricket. Developed country Switzerland. National game Skiing. Developed country Switzerland. National game Skiing. Developed country Malaysia. National game Badminton. Developed country Malaysia. National game Badminton. Developed country China. National game Table tennis. Developed country China. National game Table tennis. Developed country Canada. National game Ice hockey. Developed country Canada. National game Ice hockey. Developed country Singapore. National game Football. Developed country Singapore. National game Football. Subscribe to 10S English Mentor and press the bell icon for more videos. Strengthen your English conversation.